Calendar year 2020 was a very strange year for all of us. The pandemic affected every consumer and every business globally. For Novatti, it's a year that has brought immense change and in fact continuing strong growth. For the last 3 financial years, we've grown at circa 50% revenue year on year. And in fact, during this calendar year, we've actually maintained that growth rate. We actually had our first EBITDA positive quarter on a normalised basis in the September quarter of this calendar year, making circa $100,000. We did a major fundraising in July, raised $10 million, and we've still got circa $11 million of available cash to drive into calendar year 2021. In an operational sense, we have signed up many major partnerships during this year, notwithstanding that all of my management team were working from home. We've signed up Union Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, Ripple for a major network with the third largest crypto digital asset in the world. We've continued to extend our partnership with Visa and also representing Marqeta for Visa transactions in Australia. We're working with many other fintechs and driving extensive transactions on our networks. These partnerships are actually a great portent for what will be the growth of next calendar year and in fact onwards. The partnerships are building blocks that enable us to leverage more and more transactions, drive greater wallet share from our customers, and continue to be, in many cases, Novatti inside for many payment networks. So, what should investors look for in Novatti in calendar year 2021? Please look for us to absolutely drive long-term sustainable revenue growth. We are fully funded to do it with circa $11 million of available cash. We've been building our management team, we've been building our resources, and of course our global and Australian partnerships. For instance, immersion, we've been building up the management team and the staff, and as we've announced, we will launch the immersion platform in the US before the end of March 2021. Adding very high value customer revenues from the major SaaS market in the world, driving long-term shareholder value from just that one line of business. But within Australia, we continue to drive transaction volume, building on our $2.3 billion plus of transactions at the moment, and really aiming for revenue growth to continue to build on the circa 50% per annum revenue growth that we've achieved for the last 3 years. So please look for very, very strong revenue growth, continued news flow, and I look forward to continuing to talk with you during 2021. Thank you.